What's up, guys? Crypto Komet back at it again with another technical analysis video. Today we're going to look at the Bitcoin charts, probably on the daily time frame as well as the 4-hour chart. All right, then we're going to possibly take a look at Kaspa versus the USDT tether pair. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in.
3-0.
All right, so let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. This is the Bitcoin versus US dollar pair on the daily time frame. Okay, so as you guys can see, we still have this triangle pattern on our daily chart. Matter of fact, there's two triangle patterns. One is highlighted in white and one is highlighted in yellow. The white one has broken out. All right, the target for the white one. Let's see what the target is. Yeah. The target for the white one is at 149 or $150,000. The target for the yellow triangle pattern is $160,000. All right. Now for the white triangle pattern, we have broken out, but we were stumped out by this resistance at $106,000, $107,000. All right, and we've come down, guys, and we're testing this $97,000, $98,000 level. All right. In the last video, we said that we would come down to about the $99,000 or the $100,000. Yeah, we said we would come down to the $100,000 level, but we came down a little bit further to what is shown as the 99 or 97, 99 level, right? All right, but the good news is we are simply still retesting this white triangle pattern, all right? And as you know, after all breakouts, you get a retest, okay? So this is still a healthy consolidation. Not to mention, we're also retesting the bottom of this trend line in this yellow triangle pattern. All right, so within both triangle patterns, we are hitting a healthy support. All right, let's take a look at some more support. All right, yeah, you can see right here we got some support at the $95,000, $94,000 level. All right, we got support even below that. All right. So right now we're in a good area based on support and resistance. We're still right in the expected area. All right, anything could happen right now. If you look at the VPVR, same thing. All right, we got a lot of volume in this area. All right, around this 96,000. Bitcoin's currently 97,000. All right. All right, let's pull up the MACD. Alright, we got a bearish MACD. Alright, cross, which means we are likely to come down some more. Alright, now but you got to keep in mind that it's the weekend. So on the weekend, the markets are kind of unreliable. Alright, because of the liquidity and the volume. Alright, because of liquidity and volume, it's pretty much unreliable. All right, market data. We're going to basically have more price volatility and lower trading volumes, right? All right, so let's go to let's take off the MACD here, and let's see if we got any more levels of support to confirm that we might see a bounce. All right, yeah, we're also here at the Bollinger Bands, at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. All right, so we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band support. We're hitting the $96,000 level support. We also are, Bollinger Band support. Yep, we got Bollinger Band support, $96,000 level support according to the Fibonacci retracement. Also, we're retesting the breakout pattern of the triangle pattern, the white triangle pattern, and we're also retesting the bottom trend line of this yellow triangle pattern. So, I mean, I'm gonna say that I think Bitcoin is gonna go up. Granted, we see a bearish signal on the MACD, but you see all of these supports. It's like majority vote wins with all these supports. It's like we get a bounce around this area. Now, I mean, I'm not saying we can't go down, but you know, a lot's happening in the crypto community right now. So, and like I said, data on the weekends can be a bit inconclusive. All right, so if we switch over to the 4-hour chart, all right, nobody really knows what's gonna happen, guys, but you know, it's all based on probabilities. All right, and this is why you have market orders. I mean, conditional orders. You have market orders, you have conditional orders, so you can make money where the market goes up or down. All right. So yeah, we've seen this support level and this $96,000 level. It could possibly come down a little more to 95, according to the, because we have this space till it reaches the bottom of the trend line. All right. Let's see what the MACD looks like over here on this 4-hour chart. So yeah, we still got that bearish cross, but it looks like it's almost about bottoming out. All right, so I would say right now is a good time to be buying in. All right, dollar cost averaging in. You don't have to put everything in at one time. Put in small amounts as it's going down when the markets are red, right? If we go to the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like our prediction on the Bitcoin dominance chart is coming out really well. Wow, I didn't even see that before. So we had this triangle pattern in blue, and based on the measurement of the trend lines, we had a target of a 65% Bitcoin dominance. And looking here, we got a bullish cross on the MACD. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance is surging up, which means altcoins are going to be going down or sideways. All right, yeah, this is nice. But Bitcoin is hitting the top of the Bollinger Bands, guys. So, that means we're battling some resistance on the Bitcoin dominance. Right, yeah, we're hitting resistance right now. Our next resistance is at the 61,000. So we'll see what happens. But overall, Bitcoin dominance is doing great. And altcoins you should be able to buy in at very cheap levels. Right? So if we go back, yeah, Bitcoin is hitting the major support levels right now based on VPVR. Well, actually, let's see VPVR on the daily chart was good. VPVR on the 4-hour chart, yeah, we're still hitting some good levels here of support. All right, so your best bet is buying in at these support levels because Bitcoin does what it wants to do. All right, and all you can do is dollar cost average in, do your analysis and hope for the best. And based on analysis, Bitcoin is the best. All right, so we still got our targets of $140,000 to $160,000 for Bitcoin. And right now we're looking to be dollar cost averaging again. If Bitcoin decides to break out lower out of this, let's see, this triangle pattern past this resistance, which it very well could. See, there's a target of $49,000. Now, is that going to happen? I doubt it. If we have some huge financial crisis, maybe. But because Bitcoin's safe haven properties, it will easily bounce back up. So if Bitcoin goes down to 49,000, well, that would be great buying levels. But anyway, it's not going to go down that far. Why though? Because we got a lot of support on this levels, guy. A lot of support, a lot of economic factors, a lot of states, governments, countries, nation states buying in, big corporations. The smart money is buying Bitcoin right now. All right. So if we were to break out, we would probably just come down to that. We could come down to maybe the $89,000 level or the $91,000 to $89,000 level. And you would want to buy in around those levels. All right. Well, because we'll probably see some bounces around those. But after a breakout, you usually see a retest, so that will likely be a fake out. All right, but we're gonna see. All right, now let's move to Kaspa real quick. All right, on the Kaspa charts, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we see we're still in this triangle pattern. It's like a descending triangle pattern, which will likely break out upwards. All right, and the price target for that is still 19.20 cents. All right, as you guys can see though, we got all these resistance levels above, and the good news though is we got all these support levels down here. And based on support, we're not breaking down past 10 cents. All right. So we're still trading within this pattern, which means we're still in our safe zone. All right. Kaspa's still bullish based on this trend line. All right. And we all saw the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, these coins are good to be buying at a discount. Altcoins are. Alright, so let's see what the Bollinger Band says. Alright, based on Bollinger Bands, guys, we're also at support levels. I like to think of Kaspa as uncorrelated to the markets, to other altcoins, traditional altcoins, because of Kaspa's unique properties, with it being a block DAG rather than a blockchain and all that jazz. All right, its scalability and speed is way faster. So even though the Bitcoin dominance is zooming up and that makes altcoins go down, I think that Kaspa will be trading sideways. And I said that a little while ago, and as you can see, Kaspa has been trading sideways. All right, yeah, there's volatility, goes up, down, but overall you see it's still going sideways between this resistance and this support. All right, and we're still in this trend line. So I think that with the Bitcoin dominance surging up right now, Kaspa's likely to keep going sideways or to go up and start testing the top of this trend line. All right, so pretty soon we can be expecting Kaspa to bounce up to the 12-cent level, and then to the 13-14 cent level. All right, hopefully we'll get a breakout soon of this pattern. All right, and the breakout target is up here at 20 cents. All right, but keep in mind, after a breakout, we get a retest usually. So if Kaspa does break out, we could get a retest at the 13-cent level. I mean, we could get a resistance at the 13-cent level and come back down to 12 cents before going back up towards that 20-cent level. All right. The idea as position traders is that we have to be patient. All right, so you want to be dollar cost averaging into these assets, Bitcoin, into Kaspa. All right, and have a peace of mind that when you sleep at night that you're in good assets, because you research these assets. You know, they have certain properties that make them safe havens, or certain properties that make them assets. All right, so Kaspa and Bitcoin, in my opinion, are some of the best assets in the crypto market, if not the best assets. All right, so like I said, dollar cost average in, be buying in right now in the red. All right, if Kaspa does go down any further, it could go down to the 10.4 cents. Buy in at those levels. It's a fire sale. It's yeah, you're getting a nice discounted rate. All right, because once we break out, that's when the money's going to be coming in. All right, so all coins at a discounted rate. Bitcoin is still testing this resistance, and it's about to be heading back up, at least in my opinion. All right, like I said, it could break down. We could get breakdowns in any of these levels. All right, you guys can put in shorts at these levels as well. Bitcoin 96,000. Remember, it's going to probably retest at the 89,000 if it does break out below. But I wouldn't put in any orders, any short orders. If you do, make sure you put in your stop losses. You might lose a small percentage. But with all these economic factors, it's more likely that we'll get a bounce. That's just my personal opinion. But anyway, with that being said, that was your price analysis, or technical analysis on Kaspa and Bitcoin. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's Crypto Command.
Peace out.